Hello, my loves. It's Kasia, Plannerista 101. Thanks for joining me today. We're going to be creating my meal plan and my wellness plan, so 2 spreads in one. Let me know if you guys prefer that or if you want them separately. I can do either or. It doesn't really make a difference. I'm filming them anyway. Let me know what you guys prefer. And today I'm going to be using the black and white sticker book from E-Star Case. It is super elegant. It reminds me very much of like Audrey Hepburn type of style, or even like Breakfast at Tiffany's. And they're just so gorgeous. So I wanted to use that. And yeah, and we're going to meal plan the minute I am done putting stickers down, but look how beautiful. I'm not gonna keep the spread black and white. I will be adding florals. This is also their floral book, and that's what I decided to use. So I'm gonna add some color. I just don't know what yet. Oh, how about these? I'm just gonna pull out this page. Okay, so here we go. And then if you guys end up buying stickers from E-Star Case, if you would use code Kasia, I would really appreciate it. It gives you 12% off and it gives me a small commission. So I would really, really appreciate it if you used my code. Anyway, let's get back to planning. So here we go. I'm going to add these flowers to like brighten up the color in here. It's kind of unusual for me, right, to do black and white and florals at the same time. But I think that works, so we shall see. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, welcome. I am so excited you found me. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, you guys rock. You truly do. Thank you so much. It just makes me so happy that you guys are here spending time with me. Very untypical, but I'm adding a wedding photo, like a wedding drawing in here. I don't know why. It just spoke to me and I felt like I needed to. So that's exactly what I'm doing. No rhyme or reason. So if you're questioning what I'm doing, I don't know. I'm just making it pretty so I can use it. Or that makes me want to use it, you know? Okay, so I want to add a few more flowers, but we're going to cut them. And not only because like they go a longer way, right, when you cut them, but they don't take as much space. So for me, it's all about the space, especially in this planner, because I do utilize almost all of those boxes. The only ones I don't is the ingredients to prep and snacks, but everything else in this planner is being utilized. So I just want to make sure that the space is there. Okay, but look how pretty. Okay, I'm kind of loving this style. Okay, I've never combined those two, like I said before, but this is something I'm really enjoying right now. Okay, let's put a little bit more flowers to fill in this space. I'm not even covering ingredients to prep in case I want to write in something. But for right now, let's go ahead and put this back in my planner and start writing. So as you will notice, in the beginning of my videos when I was setting up for July, I had a folio, but I flipped my planner when I write just like this, so that didn't work. Okay, Monday breakfast, eggs and English muffin, short rib, tacos for dinner. I'm out on Monday because we are celebrating something at work. Hard-boiled eggs on Tuesday for breakfast, salad for lunch. Should I do for dinner? Sometimes I have no clue what I'm doing, you guys. How about we do chicken, grilled with veggies? It's like a healthy, nice option. Okay, then we can do English muffin again. Just toasted. Capri salad, which is just mozzarella, basil, and tomato. I really love these. Those are like one of my favorite salads, especially if you put a little bit of like a glaze on top. Okay, grain bowl with beef for dinner. And then Thursday, English muffin yet again. On my work days, I usually keep it pretty simple. Salad for lunch. I have a whole bunch of salad kits that I purchased, so I'm using them up. salmon cakes on salad. Those are amazing, especially if you make like an aioli sauce. Friday, where it's gonna be out because I have surgery, then salad and probably out for dinner. And then eggs and bacon for breakfast on Saturday. We usually don't do lunch, so we're just gonna like grab a whole bunch of snacks like walnuts and stuff. That's usually what we do for lunches on Saturday and Sunday. Steak and potatoes for dinner, both of them grilled. I think they'll be fantastic. Maybe even with a side of salad. I'm gonna make casserole for breakfast on Sunday. Snacks, like I said, and then maybe turkey meatballs for dinner, which I misspelled that, and I know, but you know what? It's life. It's gonna happen. And plus, English is not my first language, so I have excuses. Okay, let's go ahead and create my wellness spread. So again, same week, August 5th through 11th. Today I'm going to be using the Charming Little Life by JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. That sticker book, you guys, is so darling to me. So there's this little doggy with a girl, and it just means the world to me that she put that in the book. I wear dresses like this all the time, and I have this white little doggy. That's a Westie, and she just completely like endeared my life with these sticker books. So I use them very sparingly because, like I said, she's a dear friend of mine and just absolutely gorgeous stickers. So she just had a release this week as well. So if you have not grabbed her new stickers, go ahead and do so before they sell out. Her little ghost last year made such a phenomenal like Halloween spread, and in general October spread, that I couldn't resist buying more of them. So more ghosts this year to come, you guys. Anyway, so I am going to go ahead and add like florals kind of to fill in the space. Since I don't use the sidebar, I decided to make it more decorational, at least this time. So I'm gonna just add all of these different florals and kind of fill in the space. It is also from the same book. And look how darling this looks like. Oh my gosh, right? Okay, so now, I don't know. I want to fill in some spaces still. So I don't know. How about I add that? That looks good, right? Kind of. I don't know. Yeah, it's such a darling book. I'm gonna go ahead and take a blue dot pen and kind of add all of these little dots that I use. I'm using blue because of that girl. I want to bring that blue all over the planner and kind of have that a little bit more focused. Let me know what you think and what color you would pick for this. I was going to either go with pink for all of these cherry blossoms or blue, but oh my gosh, this is absolutely darling. I just need to add, I think, a couple more details in here. So breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. I track my medicine, my mood, my sleep, and my steps. And that's what that looks like. I want to add a little bit more greenery, I think, to fill in the space, especially because I don't use the full second box. So let's see if I can add just a smidge and like make it a little bit more decorational, even more. Not that this is not already, but like I said, this book is just so darling. I have multiple copies of this. That's how much I love it. Let me know if you guys have sticker books that you have multiple copies of, because you fell in love and you had to have it. So that's kind of what happened here. And like I said, JoJo is just such a darling. Whenever I can, I want to support her. Okay, so almost done with the spread. Let me know what you think. Let me know how many multiple stickers do you guys carry or do you guys keep? And I'll see you soon for another video. Bye!